What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be an update on the account. So we made $200 in 24 hours, 100% free, using Facebook groups and the fan page, right? So, and I showed you guys this method is literally step by step by step. There is no excuses with this method. It literally costs $0, and it literally only takes maybe 30 minutes for you to set up. And that includes the researching, finding a video, posting the video, posting it in the groups, and all of that includes everything. Maybe 30 minutes. Anything outside of that might be when people message you and you have a conversation with them. And then you don't even have to do that. You can have it set up like I showed you guys in this video right here, where you send them to a video that literally does all the talking. So this is a 100% damn near autopilot method. Very simple stuff, guys, all right? But just to give you guys the update here, we had 11 views on this video here, 23 people reached, 9 engagement, and then we had 18 likes on the page, right? And this was literally only 24 hours ago. And now we're at 236 likes, 53 engagement, 171 people reached, and 138 views, all right? Super simple stuff, guys. Like, true, the video was long or whatever, but there was a lot of positive stuff in there and a lot of stuff that you guys needed to know. And $200 in 24 hours, 100% free. Didn't have to pay anything, guys. You don't have to pay anything for this. Making it 100% automatic or whatever, that's optional. You can post manually. Everything about this is free, right? You don't have to pay for posting software. You don't have to pay for any software at all. You don't have to pay for bots. You don't have to pay to make a Facebook account. You don't have to pay to post in groups. You don't have to pay to make a fan page. You don't have to pay for anything. The only way you cannot make money if you do this method right here, the only way you won't make money is if you simply don't do it. Like, that's the only way you guys will not see results with that. You can't bring me someone who goes through, watch this entire video, and do everything, right? Go through and find the videos and stuff and stay consistent with it, and not make money. It just won't happen, right? But that's pretty much it, guys. If you haven't done the free training on TeamDeAngelo.net, make sure you guys go do that. That's going to really help you out in this. It is called 6 Figures with Facebook or something like that. It's like right in the middle. You guys can click that. You don't need an account, or anything along those lines. That's literally 100% free. Go through, watch the video, and just follow everything, and you will be good, guys. Like I said, there's no way you can't make money with this method here. I'm showing you guys right now that this is 100%, real. And I don't get anything for showing you guys this. Like, this is free money. Free. And all you got to do is simply follow and, model or replace it, whatever you're doing. Like, if you're trying to build your email list, you can do that with this method right here, right? If you are trying to sell clickbait products, you can do that with this method. CPA offers, you can do that with this method. Like something like loans, you can do that with this. You can literally do this with everything, guys. Anything. Even like if you want to do let's say you bought an app and you were trying to get some apps downloads and stuff like that, 100% free. You can do that with this over here, right? Even if let's say you only get an extra $100 a month from this method right here, right? Let's say like something super low, only $100 for the entire month. You can take that $100 and go invest it in courses. You can do a lot of stuff with $100. $100 goes so far these days, guys, it's not even funny. Like, most people see $100 as just like $100. $100 can turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's what happened for me. I started out with like $300, and then we started making 6 figures from that $300. Now, obviously, I just kept investing and stuff like that, but it literally started out with $300. All right, so I'm telling you guys, you can do the exact same thing. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.